How do you handle product failures and repairs? What criteria do you use to make a repair decision? Do you have a system to track warranty on repaired items? Do you have a program in place to drive better mean time to repair and mean time between failure? How do you source obsolete parts? I'm James Allen, the Services Specialist at ES&E. Reductions in maintenance staff and spare parts inventory can often lead to longer downtime and lost revenue, especially when your application assets need replacing. To help minimize this and keep production lines running, Rockwell Automation offers its remanufacturing and exchange services. With 15 remanufacturing centers and 8 exchange hubs around the globe, Rockwell Automation Remanufacturing and Exchange Services gives you reliable service and delivery of quality repairs when you need them. Every Allen Bradley and Reliance Electric repairable part that Rockwell services undergoes its comprehensive 7-step remanufacturing process using the same test equipment on which products were originally produced. The process is simple. First, your unit's catalog number, series, and revision date are verified against its return authorization for warranty and product configuration. Then the unit is disassembled, cleaned, and enhanced with the latest proprietary firmware and hardware updates from the original equipment manufacturer. Individual components and subassemblies are inspected and tested to the original design parameters. Inoperative components are replaced, and proactive measures are taken to replace marginal and aged components. Trained technicians certify the full functionality of your unit using proprietary OEM test equipment to confirm that all performance and output load specifications are met. Cases such as intermittent inoperability may require more extreme testing methods. In these instances, your unit can undergo controlled environmental applications such as high temperature, shock, and vibration or humidity testing. A tracking record verifies all necessary operations have been completed. Quality control inspectors cosmetically clean and visually inspect the unit and label it with the updated revision. Accessories such as keys, batteries, and manuals are added, and your unit is shipped back to you in custom engineered anti-static bags and containers. There are 3 levels of service Rockwell offers: economy, standard, and priority. With economy service, your unit is sent through Rockwell's 7-step proprietary process and returned to you typically within 2 to 3 weeks time of the product being received, and the entire unit has a 12-month comprehensive warranty. Standard service is the next service level, and with this level, once your unit is received at our depot, an exchange unit will be dispatched within 24 hours via the standard ground shipment. If no exchange unit is available, in most cases your unit will be remanufactured and shipped within 5 days. All standard transactions are expedited and positioned to the front of the production facility schedule, and the entire unit has an 18-month comprehensive warranty. Finally, you have priority service. With priority service, you get next-day delivery of proactive replacement and exchange for over 50,000 remanufactured Allen Bradley catalog items inventoried at our global parts hub. Return shipping costs are covered when the non-warranty unit is returned within 30 days and the entire unit has a 24-month comprehensive warranty. But that's not all. At ES&E, we're partnered with Rockwell Automation Remanufacturing Services to provide a value-add service we call Remanufacturing Plus, or the CHAMP program. With Remanufacturing Plus, ES&E provides you with an asset management professional who collaborates with your team to manage your repair process, improve reliability, and reduce inventory and obsolescence risk. By implementing a Remanufacturing Plus program, you will have access to a 1-year in-service warranty as well as monthly transactional and financial reports on all your repaired assets. These reports include warranty and asset tracking, mean time between failure, and ROI, among others. These services will undoubtedly help keep your plant floor working through even the most challenging of times. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact your local ES&E account manager or service specialist.